Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I did not take down my Christmas decoration as yet because of the snow and all of that. The storage bins, they're on the balcony and they're like, there's a lot of ice out there and snow, so I do not want to go out there. So I think my decoration is going to stay up until February. Normally I do take down my Christmas decoration before my birthday, which is March, so I'm going to take them down. Anyways, we are going to make some chicken fried rice. So I have some rice from last week Saturday and I do not want to waste it, so I'm gonna make chicken fried rice now. So come with me to make my chicken fried rice. And I know everyone cooks different, so if you see me cooking how I'm cooking, just know that that's how I make it, but I know a lot of persons make it different. So yeah, so come with me to make some chicken fried rice. I already seasoned the chicken from early in the morning. Now it's like around 7 o'clock in the night, so yeah, so it's well marinated. So I'm going to bring you all with me and show you Top Chef. Kidding. Okay guys, so come with me, let me show you. So here am I just frying the chicken. I don't want them to get burned and I also don't want them to be too dry, so I'm turning them, and I make sure that I turn down the stove to, I think, medium heat or a little lower than that, so that the chicken wouldn't burn. And yeah, look at them guys, they are so pretty, and there's good amount of seasoning on it because you know you want it to taste good. So yeah, and I also had the mixed veg on the other side of the stove, trying to make sure that I normally like I know they're like cooked already, but I like to like scald them off. So yeah, that's what I was doing, and yeah, this is how the chicken is looking. So the chicken is done, and guys, look at them. Oh my, they are so juicy. So they're done, so I'm just taking them out the pot because I'm going to use the same pot for the fried rice. So you know you have to take them out first and just put them aside. So now it's time to scramble the eggs, and look at this. I just use like 2 eggs because it's not a lot of rice, so I just need like 2 eggs and that's it. So now I'm going to add the mixed vegetable to the oil. The oil is hot, but I turned down the stove a little because I didn't want the mixed vegetable to start burning. So yeah, you can see it's at a little bubbling. So I add the mixed vegetable in. So I am just like stirring so that it doesn't stick to the pot, even though it's a non-stick pot. So I was just like stir Like, how much time do you stir your pot like me? I don't know. I think it's a habit. And then now I'm going to add some black pepper, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and also some herb and spice. Also, I'm going to add a little bit of Maggi so that it will be very flavorful. I also add some sweet pepper to it. So yeah. So now we're going to add the rice. I didn't add any onion to it because I already used the onion powder, so I didn't want it to, I don't like the taste of onion in rice. So yeah, so here I'm just adding some rice, and then while I add the rice, I'm going to try to like mix it so that it doesn't stick, because I don't want it to burn. But I already turned down the stove low. I think it's like on medium or a little bit lower. So yeah, so I'm just adding the rice. Like, why am I adding so much rice and I'm not mixing? I don't know, something is wrong with me. But yeah, then after this now I'm going to struggle to mix the rice out, because tell me why I didn't like put a little then mix then put a little. So here am I now just crushing the rice out, so that it doesn't it's not lumpy. So yeah, I'm just gonna press, and then I had to pause the video just to press the rice out more and all of that. I did add some soy sauce to it, that's why it's looking a little brown. I'm also gonna add some teriyaki sauce also, that tastes so good. I don't know if it's for fried rice, but I'm going to add it and it's gonna taste good. So I'm just making sure that I could like mash the rice out. So I'm just throwing the soy sauce, but I already put like 1 teaspoon in it, not a lot. And then I'm just trying to like press the rice out more, because I don't want to see the white rice. I want it to have the brown color that fried rice always have. So we're gonna stir until everything becomes brown. So yeah, so I'm going to do all of that before I add the eggs, and also I add the chicken to it. So we're gonna like mix it out, and then you'll see the final result. So guys, you see how everything is coming along. So now it's time to add the eggs to it. So here I'm just adding the eggs, and don't worry, I'm gonna like mash them out so that everything just blend in the rice. So yeah, and you could see it coming out good already. It's been a long while since I make fried rice, but yeah. So I'm just like gonna mix all the eggs in so that, you know, when you're sharing, everybody gets like a piece of egg. So I should have like mashed them out before I put it in the pot, but I wasn't thinking about that. So now we're gonna have to press them out and make sure that they're little and tiny. So yeah, and then we're gonna stir again, make sure that it's not sticking and all of that. So yeah, so look how it's coming out, guys. And then it's going to be time to add the chicken to the pot. My favorite part. This was so good, guys, honestly. I'm not even kidding. It was so good. So now I add some of the chicken. I'm gonna stir and all of that first before I add the rest. So yeah, so look how it's turning out. So yes, that's when I add the rest to it. And yeah, it wasn't a lot of chicken. I thought it was more than that, but yeah. So now you could see it. So you could leave it in the comment. Let me know how you guys make fried rice. Do you make it different from me, or what do you put in your fried rice? But yeah, this was mine and it tastes so good. And this was this lasts us for about 3 days. So yeah, so that was good. I like to cook and make sure that I don't have to cook for the rest of the week. So yeah, so this was good enough to serve us for the week. So yeah, so look at my fried rice, guys. Tell me how it looks. So guys, I'm finished cooking and now I'm going to plate my dinner. I did take a shower because when I'm finished eating, I do not want to go and shower. I'm just gonna sit, relax, and watch a movie. So let me share my dinner and show you guys. So guys, I finished plate my food. I was trying to put it in the little plate for it to look cute and all of that, but because of the chicken, it was falling apart. So this is how it turned out. Ooh, and I know it must taste delicious. So I'm drinking my favorite cran juice, and I'm eating some lettuce and also some cucumber. I like did them like this. It tastes so good, guys. 10 out of 10. Yeah, 10 out of 10. This, I would cook it again. It tastes so good. So I'm trying to cut down the rice, so I have a little bit of rice and veggies here and some protein, some chicken. So yeah. And I also have my water. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.